Hi guys, today I'll show you the very basic and important function in Excel, which is if function. So let's get started. Here in this spreadsheet we can see three different columns: name, income and expenses. This is showing the three persons income and expenses in monthly. So I want to know that if their income is more than their expenses or less than their expenses. To determine it, I'll use if function here. So to use if function, I'll just click on that fx, which is a little insert icon on toolbar. Just click on it. Here a window arises. Now I want to, here it's written that search for a function. I want to search for function if function. So I'll write if and then go. Select a function. Here we can see a bunch of function here, but I don't want all of them. I just want if function. So I'll select if and then OK. But before pressing on OK, I just want to say you something that here this text, it's actually showing the general structure of if function, what is it going to do in future. So that's it. And now I'll just click on OK button. First, I have to approach logical test. It actually returns me a logical value, true or false. Logical test actually works with criteria, and here my criteria is I want to know that Kavira's expenses is less than her income or not. In the spreadsheet, we can see Kavira's expenses is $50,000 and her income is $43,000. That means her income is less than her expenses. I just want to write here that I will select on that cell $50,000 if Kavira's expenses, which is $50,000, is less than her income, which is $40,000 or not. And it's showing me that false. That means she earns less than her expenses. And value if true, value if false. What I have to write here? If I get any true result here, true, then what I want to get a return value in this spreadsheet, I have to write that text in that box. Okay. And I want to get a return value is yes if the value is true. So I'll write yes. And if I get the false, then I'll write no as return value. Then I'll just click on OK. And it's showing me that no. That means Kavira's income is less than her expenses. Her income is not budget friendly at all. Now I want to know about the status of Ahmed and Hamid. So I can write the if formula here. But what I can also do is, without writing any formula, without doing any extra work, I can do it easily. Here on the bottom right hand corner of that cell, we can see a little plus icon, black colored plus icon. I just have to double click on that, and it will lead the same formula in two cells for Ahmed and Hamid, and it's showing me that yes. And by glancing the income and expenses of Ahmed and Hamid, we also can say that their income is more than their expenses. So our result is right. If we click on that cell, we can see the function here that for C2 and B2. And also if I click there, it will tell me that C3, B3 for Ahmed and also it's for Hamid. So that was only one example of if function. You can use if function in many cases, in many fields. I just only show you only one example. So guys, that was for today. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, and also if you want to see more this type of video in future, then please hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so that when I'll upload my future videos, you can get notified. Thanks for watching.